Eruption is continuing and lava is yet arriving in the Natthagi Valley. The harmonics have not stopped. They slightly change over time, but not much. The general trend is toward rising, the maxima. The Nar, which was the main in the past phases of the eruption, is not the main now, but it has contributed through the cracks that existed in it. And beside that, we have now fissure eruptions where the VIP hill is there. The continuous eruption of the lava through the fissure cracks in the fault line of the VIP, which is right now we are looking at it. Through those ones is causing a lake being built in the Geldingadalir valley. And it has surged toward the Natthagi Valley. It's a quite not very noisy eruption in that sense. It can be dangerous over time. It has yet a long way to go to fill the valley, reach the other side of the valley, and go toward the ocean. It needs at least 2-3 kilometers travel time to reach the ocean.